I seen this guy before? Guys, why does this dude look so familiar?
Hello, can I get 2 shawarmas?
Wait, his voice. I've heard that voice somewhere. He looks normal, he looks safe. All right, let's serve him. Whoa, what the T-pose is bro doing? Why is he staring at me like that?
Before I go, may I get your name?
Why is he asking my name? Hold up. Wait, is this Light Yagami from that ding-dong note? Bro, why is there a Shinigami eating an apple behind him? Nah, relax, guys. He's probably just FBI, doing his duty. Okay, fine, let's write our name. What the, a cutscene? Why is bro laughing like that?
Yes! That's it! 20 more seconds!
20? Guys, I think I'm cooked.